Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, we're going to install Portainer Agent. Portainer Agent is used to connect multiple Docker instances with Portainer. We go to Portainer, log in, password. You see here we have one, the local. I have another server with OpenMediaVault and I want to have it here. How we do that? We connect. We go to environment related, environments. You see here we have one environment, the local. So that's on this computer, the Fedora server. Add environment. In this case, we use Docker standalone. You see you have other possibilities. Start wizard. We use agent. And you see here the commands for Linux and Windows. See it here. So we go back to stacks, add stack, and connect, copy the code. Copy it, paste it here, see, copy the name, and put it here, name. You see services, Portainer Agent name, you can choose whatever you want. Container name, also that you can choose. Restart always. Ports 9001 to 9001. This port, you can choose whatever you want. This port is inside the container and is strictly. Network mode, bridge. We need 3 volumes. The Docker sock. Home, my name, Portainer Agent volumes. 2 var lib docker volumes and host. The image is Portainer Agent with the same version as the Portainer. Here we don't need to change anything and we do deploy stack. Go up and we wait until everything is downloaded and installed. Can take some time because it's the first time we need to download everything. You see here success that successfully deployed. Now we can go back to environments, local, and add environment. Docker standalone, start wizard, agent, and here we put the information. I have another server, I tell you before, with OpenMediaVault. Here the name, you can choose whatever you want. Here it has to be strictly. The IP address from the remote server is 192.168.157. The port, you see, here also 9001. You do correct. See here, environment created, OpenMediaVault. We log out again. And voila, the remote server is included. You have the local, so that's the Docker on this computer. Here, OpenMediaVault is on an other server, physical other server, with OpenMediaVault and Docker installed. I can connect, and as you can see, I have a lot of containers here. Go back, choose local, I connect, and we are on this server. You see here I have Portainer Agent, but also you need to install that on the other computer. So if you want to go one way or another, you have to install it twice. You can also go to Yacht and see Portainer Agent is installed. So this was it for this video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up, and see you later. Thank you very much.